Hi, welcome to Lucas Learns to Cook. Today we are cooking BLTs. If you don't know what a BLT is, B stands for bacon, L stands for lettuce, and T stands for tomato. First, we put the bacon on a wire rack on a baking sheet with foil on it to catch the grease when it drips off the bacon. We put the bacon in the oven at 400 degrees for about 16 through 18 minutes. We checked it to make sure it was done to be crispy like we like it. Then we cut up the tomato and got our lettuce mix ready. After the bacon finished cooking, we put some buns with mayo on them. My dad says mayo works better than butter for toasting buns. And look at that juicy bacon and toasted buns, they look great. This is how I made my BLT, some bacon, some tomato, and then lettuce. Bacon.
All right, so did you like it? What do you give it? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Piece of bacon.
What would you like on your BLTs? Write in the comment section below. Please like and subscribe.
Film out. Bum bum.